Culpeper traffic, Cessna 3537 Bravo, base runway 22 Culpeper. Culpeper traffic, Cessna 3537 Bravo's final runway 22 Culpeper.
Culpeper traffic, orange and white, Cessna 70 Bravo's straight out departure and climbing runway 22 Culpeper.
I think we'll do a low approach here just to check things out and then go around. We're about 10 feet over the runway. About 60 knots. Got the ground effect. You can see there's a kind of a dip in the runway there. Culpeper traffic, Cessna 3537 Bravo on the go, runway 22 Culpeper.
Hey Ron, I'm just checking. I'm showing you at about 2,200 feet. Is that, am I correct?
It's on the money. Are you maneuvering for a missile shot now?
That's what I was going to say, a bogey. Now you're showing 24.
Hey George, where are you headed, sir?
Oh, I'm just burning some gas.
Culpeper traffic, Cessna 3537 Bravo, downwind runway 22 Culpeper.
So now I don't have to worry just about Big Brother watching me. Now George is watching everything I do. What am I at now, George?
Well, I'm showing you somewhere around 24, 2,500.
Yeah, I'm level at 25.
Freeway traffic, 5 Uniform Lima's downwind, midfield, 18 freeway.
Davisburg traffic, Cessna 2951 turning crosswind, last call.
Culpeper traffic, Cessna 3537 Bravo is base runway 22 Culpeper.
Heli 2345, switch over.
Freeway traffic, 49151 is downwind, 18 freeway.
This time I think we'll go all the way to the landing. Culpeper traffic, Cessna 3537 Bravo, final runway 22 Culpeper. Now we're a little bit high. We'll pull power out. Sending nicely so I don't need to slip. Just accept that glide slope. There we are, right on glide slope. There you go. Culpeper Unicom, Cessna, correction, Culpeper traffic, Cessna 3537 Bravo, clear runway 22 Culpeper.
Traffic on the parallel at Culpeper. Are you headed up to the ramp gas area?
Negative, Cessna 3537 Bravo is just gonna go and do some turns in the pattern.
We'll exit and go up this way towards the ramp.
Roger, I have you in sight. No factor. Thank you.
Hey, Zach, 06 Romeo, if you could fill us up to the tabs, we'd appreciate it. No problem.
Look, they have a new FBO out here. White Hawk AV. That's new. In fact, it looks like a brand new building. Maybe check them out next air show or something. Culpeper traffic, Cessna 3537 Bravo, departing runway 22, closed traffic, Culpeper.
Culpeper traffic, helicopter 418 Tango Kilo is 5 miles east of the field. We are southwestbound to Nice. We'll be inbound on a localizer practice approach to runway 4, Culpeper.
Montgomery traffic, 702 Mike Delta, 10 miles northwest of the field. Will be coming straight in for runway 14 Montgomery.